What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Burkle's Cerakote in the shop. So today we are going to be doing the blade for this guy. It does have the camo pattern, but I don't know if you can see this in the picture or not. If you look, you can see that kind of snake-like pattern there. So we're going to imitate that with colors, and then we're also going to utilize this stencil. Obviously it's not all peeled out yet. What I'm hoping for is with some of the other stencils, you take this corner, you peel it off, and all those little dots stay behind. So we're going to try to utilize this pattern while still trying to keep some of the color in there. Maybe even doing some airbrushing around the outsides to match that black. And the screws are going to be black, so they're more incognito. So let's do this, and we'll see how it goes.
My brow, heat and grind. Rough hands all day, hard to find. Cars and cycles, guns and knives. Coating steel where the spirit thrives. Layers, fake, dark dance of flames. Under lights, strong, no one to blame. Craft of fire, my soul full pride. Cerakote roads I will ride. Layers, thick, dark dance of flames. Under lights, strong, no one to blame. Craft of fire, my soul full pride. Cerakote roads I will ride. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paper sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal colors bright. Rust is the enemy, fight the good fight. The good fight. Daylight fades, my work remains. Precision strokes all through the pains. Hard labor with a silent roar. Every coat a personal war. Metal shines, break of dawn. Hours long, don't care, it's on. Tools in hand, my trade is true. Cerakote life pays my view. Cerakote warrior in the night. Paintbrush sword, let's get it right. Steel and metal colors bright. Rust is the enemy, fight the good fight. Daylight fades, my work remains. Precision strokes all through the pains. Hard labor with a silent roar. Every coat a personal war. Metal shines, break of dawn. Hours long, don't care, it's on. Tools in hand, my trade is true. Cerakote life takes my view.
First color of the day today is going to be Mil-Spec OD Green. So we're going to start with that color. Because every color of Cerakote, when it's wet, every color of Cerakote has its own scent. It's so weird. Poop. I got two stencils, and there should have been one. Stencils, not what I meant. See how the first color looks? I remember that first color's got to go on a little thicker, because you want that protection. One done. Come on, you hook. There you go. Alright, we are done with the OD green. Alright, so the remainder we're doing with Troy Coyote tan before we do our black or whatever. We are going to be using the airbrush for this. So we're going to go over it with the stencil, with the airbrush. I want to try to mimic that pattern. Alright, so we're peeling this out here. But ow. Here's our little grate. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap it on here. And then we're going to use that pattern, and then we're going to flip it over and use the pattern again. See how that works? Awesome. Okay, so there's one side. See how she looks. Oh, that's sexy. You'll be able to see it better afterwards, but that's so cool. Okay, next. Alright. And yes, we're doing the belt clip too, why not? Oh, that's... Alright guys, so our next color will be black. We're gonna see how this looks. Hopefully it's gonna look so super sexy. Start with our screws. Okay, I'm sure. It looks awesome. Slick.
Save your pity for the weak.